Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Enjoy Literature. Today we are going to study some new English phrases which we use in our daily life. So let's start. We are going to study 10 sentences today. First sentence. कभी ना कभी तुम्हें सच बताना ही पड़ेगा. We use it many times in our daily lives. For this कभी ना कभी we use sooner or later. You would have to tell the truth. Sooner or later you would have to tell the truth. Sooner or later means kabhi na kabhi. You practice more sentences of same kind so that you can learn them easily. Second sentence. यह गाना सवेरे से मेरे दिमाग में घूम रहा है. It happens many times we say कि यह बात मेरे दिमाग में सुबह से घूम रही है, सुबह से अटक रखी है. For this thing we use stuck in my head. This song is stuck in my head since today morning. Third sentence. मुझे डर लगता है. It's an easy sentence and it also sounds easy. We many times say I feel scared, but I'm going to tell you two ways. First is simple, I feel scared, and second, I have cold feet. Have and has we have to keep in mind the rule. For that you study tenses. As sometimes we say उसे डर लगता है, we will say he feels scared. But in smart English we would say he has cold feet. Has and have, so that I'm saying that you should learn these tenses. Okay. Fourth sentence. मैंने काम की बात को छोड़कर सारी बात की. हम ऐसा अक्सर कहते हैं जैसे हम किसी से फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे हैं और फिर हम लास्ट में कहते हैं कि मैंने तुमसे सारी बात की पर काम की बात को छोड़कर. तो काम की बात को छोड़कर फ्रेज़ के लिए वी वुड से I talked about everything except the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room को हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कहते हैं कि काम की बात को छोड़कर. काम की बात के लिए we use elephant in the room. Or else we say many times I talked about everything except the important topic. Okay, but this seems good. Fifth sentence. आग में घी डालना. It is a Hindi idiom and we say in English this idiom as add fuel to the fire. हम आग में घी डालना को हम हिंदी में बोलना हमें आता है पर many times हम उसे इंग्लिश में नहीं कन्वर्ट कर पाते. So that we say add fuel to the fire. Now one sentence where we use it is तुम हमेशा आग में घी क्यों डालते हो. तुम हमेशा आग में घी क्यों डालते हो. Why do you always add fuel to the fire? Why do you? So here question mark is important. Sixth sentence. आज मुझे टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छे अंक मिले. ओके, इसमें हम क्या कह रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे. We would say I got good marks in test today. But something new we would say today I got a stupendous score on the test. Stupendous here means something good, fantastic, amazing. We use stupendous. Seventh sentence. आज मेरा कुछ काम करने का मन नहीं है, मूड नहीं है. We say it when we are tired or when we feel very sad, we are not in mood. We say I don't feel like working today. Eighth sentence. अचानक मेहमान आ गए और मैं लेट हो गया था. मेहमान आ गए, अचानक मेहमान आ गए के लिए हम सिर्फ यूज़ करेंगे that we would use guest suddenly turned up. But when we want to say I got late, we say guest suddenly turned up and I got late. Ninth sentence. वह अपने बिजनेस में ईमानदार है. It sounds easy as we will say many times we say he is honest in his business. ईमानदार, for this word we would say honest. But something new in smart English we would use He is above board in his business. He is above board in his business. Above board. We use it when we say someone is imandar. Even we can use it for ourselves. So when we want to say, when someone asks you, what's your strength? We can say, I'm above board. Above board, these are some of the English phrases which enhances our English skills. Above board here means imandar. Last but not the least sentence of today's video is रोहन का पेशा पतन की ओर है. पतन की ओर here means decline. Okay, that's not going up. I will tell two ways to speak up this sentence. Okay, Rohan's business is declining. Second, this one we use in daily life, but to enhance our English skills, we can say Rohan's business is at low ebb. Rohan's business is at low ebb. I would suggest you to see this video 2-3 times so as to get all the things in your mind. Okay, these were some of the new English phrases which we studied today. If you liked our video, please like and share the video. Comment. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and relatives. Why? Because sharing is caring. And subscribe our channel Enjoy Literature. Don't forget to hit the bell icon on the right side so that you can get all our updates time to time. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video lecture.